organic food and foreign cars. I don't believe the price of gold, the certainty of growing old, that right is right and left is wrong, that north and south can...
The 25th and final tip is how to have Excel speak softly into your ear. So I will go up here and drop down this little menu and we'll go to more commands. I'm going to drop down this and choose all commands. Now scroll all the way down until you see speak cells. Okay, here it is, add speak cells, and then also add stop speaking cells, and then click OK. Now it's added both these buttons here. So if I wanted to start reading horizontally here, I'll just go and click speak.
Amp that goes to 11, $2,000, Nigel Tufnell.
And I can click this button to stop. And I can also select a set of cells in a column, so I can go like this and do the same thing.
Jimi Hendrix, John Denver, Jimmy Page.
Now Excel can talk back. The second tip is the new Analyze Data feature. This formerly was known as Ideas, but it uses AI and intelligence in Excel to automatically analyze your data and surface a lot of cool insights. I have a spreadsheet here for Mike's Music Store. On the Home tab, I'm going to go in the upper right and I'm going to choose this Analyze Data. And this is rolled out in the Excel for Office 365. So I'll click Analyze Data, and automatically it pulls up a bunch of really interesting insights. Things about designers, things about inventory value, brand, and I can scroll down. I could even at the bottom click show all 34 results. So all sorts of really interesting data that it just pulls up automatically. Now if I want to insert a chart here, I can say, quantity in stock and inventory value. I just click insert chart and it just puts that right on the page. I can also generate pivot tables based on this. So in this case, I've got a pivot table here. Let's see, by inventory value, by brand, and factory location. So I'll click Insert Pivot Table, and it gives me an entire pivot table layered out here. Now I can go and do all the sorting things that I might normally be able to do in a pivot table. The other nice thing you can do with Analyze Data is ask it a question. And so what it does is it looks at the column headers and uses smarts to figure things out. So I can ask something basic like, what is the highest unit price? And immediately it finds that my Marshall amp is the highest. That's $2,000. I can also ask questions like, where is lowest inventory value? And very quickly it'll tell me that looking across Munich, if you sum that up, the lowest is in the Munich location. And if you go and clear this and just drop this down, there's all sorts of suggestions. So I can do things like sorting, percentage, which brand of inventory ID. So Analyze Data gives you all sorts of insights automatically into how to get more value out of your data quickly.